pagsasama nyo, pagka nagkaroon na ng baby, magsama sa hirap at ginhawa at laging magbigayan. Salamat po. Happy birthday, Doc Oni.
Say it all right now, 'cause I just gotta let you know it's better than you ain't seen nothing yet. Sure you heard. You ain't ever seen what you about to see.
Bigyan and Onin, paglabas ng baby, hindi pa rin dapat nawawala yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. Bagkus, lalo pang tumibay, lalo pat nandyan na darating na ang anghel ng buhay nyo. Yun lang at happy birthday anak.
What you about to see.
Boy po or girl?
Siyempre ako girl.
Ako,
Siya.
boy ako eh, boy. Boy talaga. Dapat
Okay.
boy.
The sun rose over the valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking, and I'm free to laugh like a child. Is this what it feels like to be right where you're meant to be? This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget.
Whatever the gender the baby or babies will be, as long as she or they be as healthy and lovable.
It's like the world resumed turning, like everything's gonna change, and we can stop all the
Wish ko para sa kanya, lumabas siya na okay, healthy, malusog. Tapos madami nang naghihintay kasi sa'yo. So kung naririnig mo ako, diba? Marami nang excited makakita sa'yo. Kaya masyadong excited. Kung ano yung due date, dapat dun talaga lalabas, ha?
Gusto namin or ina-expect namin na yung mga good characteristics namin, good namin, makukuha niya. Halimbawa, sa papa niya, makukuha niya yung ilong, sige na nga. Ilong, pero physically, yan yung sa papa niya, sa ilong. Tapos, sana maging God-fearing siya, maging matyaga, masinop sa buhay.
future looks bright. This is a new beginning, yeah. This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling. Wait for the best part.
Will ni Lord ito. God bless the baby. God bless the family. Abito and release this family. Go! Yay! It's a girl! It's a girl! Happy birthday!
Habang nandyan ka pa, alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. Kung masyado makulit, kung pasabay kay mama. Masipa-sipa, okay lang yun. Tapos, yun lang, excited na kami makita. Love you.